Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a brand new and cool little item from Geneva, their DeConS. S for small. The DeCon has been released and it's got a CD drive in it and it's got all the network features on board and excellent control. Big speaker and big sound, but it's quite large. The DeConS has been designed to sort of transition into a kitchen, a study, a bedroom perhaps, and introduce some of the key features that many small speakers and alarm clock radios and other things fail to deliver. This thing will run Spotify Connect, and it will do it without your phone. You can just dial in and give it all the settings, and you can use the traditional buttons on the front. It's got internet radio, and of course with that podcasts and all that stuff, right? It's got an excellent and easy to set alarm. But a big part of it is that it's got an FM radio. And if you're going to be in that sort of kitchen, study, bedroom environment, the radio is equally as important as all of these modern streaming things. So it's wonderful to see that they've included it. They've got Bluetooth, there's an auxiliary input, there's all sorts of stuff from that perspective. And with a full colour display, it's really, really easy to utilise and navigate. So, let's have a look. Geneva. Obviously clearly with a big red box and the Geneva logo in white. That's emulated on all sides except for just one panel, and that's where we've got scannable information on product and serial number. It mentions the Spotify. You've got a line drawing of what the product looks like and some colour options. These are available in white, black with a little sort of metal pinstripe that looks really cool. And today I'm opening one in walnut. Now the packaging isn't really sealed closed, so there's no need for a knife and hacking at it. It's a simple enough cardboard tab. Opening those flaps, we reveal the first, which of course is the instruction manual. Branded Geneva, and it's a multilingual manual. Really easy, really comprehensive. But navigating in this thing is pretty straightforward. So, you know, look, answer most of the questions. Maybe how to set the alarm, but that'll be about the only time you'll need the user manual. And then we reveal a wall wart sort of plug pack transformer, New Zealand plug, and it is 12 volt, 1.5 amp. Then we've got the FM antenna. Now this is the same aerial that Geneva has utilised in their Classic S and Classic M, and probably their lounge radio as well. Oh, on the note, by the way, of the aerial, look at it. It's huge. It's really genuinely well thought out. And it's got an excellent sort of pivot so that it can sit discreetly around the back. It's got a traditional PAL plug on it, so if you do need to, or if you're in an apartment with an aerial on the roof, you can tap into that aerial system if required. Okay. Moulded polystyrene packaging. Okay. And then we get to see the product itself. Now again, this is in the walnut finish, which at first glance, look at that! It's just beautiful, with a lovely little aluminium sort of trim along the front. The style of this product is excellent, and with the other two colour options, you'll find one that'll suit the decor of your kitchen or bedroom, and it'll be no issue whatsoever. There's sort of that semi-retro style, I guess, but with that, a very modern approach. Looking at it, we've got 4 little rubber feet on the bottom. It's not very deep. We'll start at the back today. The first is we've got the fact that this has a port. Now, any speaker is going to have to manage the pressure inside the box. Geneva hasn't forgotten that. This type of product is designed to sound excellent, certainly for its price and size, and the port management and other things is an element of is an essential element of it. And it's excellent to see that they haven't forgotten about the fact that this primarily is a speaker, and the port and the design of the cabinet is going to be equally important for its performance. We've got the 12 volt input, we've got the 3.5mm analog line input, and we've got the aerial fitting, which simply slides in. Okay, and then we've got a scannable information of its serial number yet again. Now it's at the front that I'm going to remind people to hang around for the close-up photographs, where I'll light this up and we'll have a look at the navigation that's possible from the front controls. Quite commonly, a lot of these products, you know, they need some elaborate setup. Well, this is all via the front, and it's very straightforward to navigate to everything. So it's about a 2.5 inch colour display. Beneath it are some of the basic controls that you would expect. We've got skip, play, pause and rewind, along with a back button. And then the menu to bring up the navigation for all sorts of things, including setting it up for Spotify, and of course setting alarms and time. You've got an easy to operate scroll with a lovely sort of tactile feel, and then of course the volume. So this lovely little product, it's about 40 watts, it's got a great sound. It's small enough that it's not going to take up too much space on a bedside cabinet, but big enough that it'll fill a big kitchen. So I'm really proud to have shared and unboxed the brand new Geneva DeConS clock radio, streaming speaker, this awesome little product, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.